Hi there. So in this video we will see how to navigate to URL or how to open a website in a default browser using Node.js. So first thing we have to do is we have to install a Node package called open. So type in npm install open. You need this package in order to execute the code explained in the video. You can also install alternative package called opener, but code will be slightly different for that package. So install open using npm. Okay, once installed, you can open your text editor and save the file with name sample.js. Okay, now type in var open equals to require, and within your method call for open. Okay, after that type in open and here type the name of your website, something like, let's say, in.wikipedia.org. okay, now we will open command prompt and type in node sample.js. okay, this opens Wikipedia. Alright, now if you want to use any other alternative browser, then you have to make one simple change within your program. Simply type in name of the browser. Now execute the code again. Okay, it should call for Firefox browser. Takes some time, but it opens. Okay, so here is your Firefox instance. Okay, so you can use this for testing your JavaScript pages, or you can also do some normal sort of testing with the help of this package. So this was our short video on how to use Node.js to navigate to URL and open the website.